What I wish I knew about smart locks before winter hit. Fingerprints and technology don't always mix. Here's how to fix it fast. If your Eufy lock isn't recognizing your fingerprint, it might be something simple. First, check that your finger is clean and dry. Moisture, dirt, or even lotion can cause failures. Next, make sure the sensor itself is clean. A quick wipe with a dry cloth can make a big difference. If it's still not working, try re-registering your fingerprint in the app. Sometimes, the first scan just isn't perfect, especially if you did it in a rush. Rescan your finger, pressing down naturally, not too hard or too soft. Temperature can also affect how your fingerprint reads. Cold weather? Rub your hands together before trying. Still no luck? Make sure the lock's firmware is up to date in the Eufy security app, and remember, sometimes it's just easier to use the backup key or code if you're in a hurry. Regular cleaning and occasional rescanning can keep your Eufy lock working smoothly. Stay secure and don't let fingerprint fails lock you out.